How to find an item code for SHEIN. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get any kind of item code for any product. So let's just head right into the video. First off, go to your web browser and search for SHEIN, or if you have the application, just open it up. I'm going to be continuing on with my web browser. And once you open up SHEIN, you are going to have to find the product of which you want to uh, go ahead and find the ID of. So here are some of the pop-ups. So let's say if I just go ahead and tap on this shirt right here, and I want to see ID for this shirt. So I can just tap on it. Now you're going to have to find the product description. Scroll down until you find the description of the product and then tap on it. So once you do that, you will see all of the description of the product, like its pattern type, sleeve type, style, hem-shaped, season, color, neckline, and right at the end, you'll find something called SKU. This right here that you can copy is the product ID of this. You can share it to anyone you want. So let's say if I want to share it to my friends, I can just go ahead and share this product ID. And if they go ahead and type this in on the SHEIN app or the website, they can easily find the product. So let me show you guys. If I just go ahead and go to the search bar and then paste the code or the ID and then tap on search, it will give me the same product. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.